Hey guys, my name is Wendy Robbins. I met you once on the phone, but we didn't meet any other time. And I know that you're down to 3 or 4 people, and I know that those people are amazing. But I'm here to tell you that I'm the one that you want to choose. And by the way, this is my house in Taos, New Mexico. It's a fantastic house because I think life should be extraordinary. Life is a fantasy. And this opportunity is a fantasy that I want made real, and I want to make it real for lots of people, millions of people, because I've coached thousands. I've gotten thousands of testimonials saying, thank you, it made a difference in my life. And that's important. But now it's to do it for millions of people. And that's what this opportunity is. And beyond the show, I will still be coaching people, women in particular, because people say, oh, the economy, it sucks! But it doesn't have to suck. It's something that we can do, we can make a difference for people. As they're watching the show, their whole life could change. And that's what I'm up for, is that kind of a game, and I know that game is something that we can play well together. Also, I think what's really cool is I'm going to be in a movie, and this movie is coming out at the end of the year, and Leonardo DiCaprio's people are the ones that are going to be distributing it, and also it's going to be distributed by the people that did The Secret, the book version, which is still a best-selling book. And so what's cool about that is that we're going to get lots of publicity just from that. The other thing is Vanguard Press. You know, they're the ones that do, they do Trump, and they do Bloomberg, and they do Kiyosaki and all the big guys. Well, they're going to do my book, which is called Why Marry a Millionaire? Just Be One. And they're going to do something, it's going to be about inventors and inventions, and stop with that conversation, the economy is no good. How can we create our own economy? And I think what would be great is to add clips from the show and talk about the stories from the show and be able to put that in there too. The other things that we're going to be able to do, I think, I see it already. I see this so big in my brain and my heart. My heart's just pounding because I know that this show is going to be a huge success, a huge success. And you guys, it's going to be fun when we go to the Emmys because I think the Emmys are always good. By the way, I've won 2 of them. I was nominated for a 3rd. Why is that important? Well, it's only important because I know how to tell stories. And I know that you're going to need somebody that's going to be able to just, you could talk to and just go, hey, we need to change the storyline, or can you be a little bit meaner, can you be a little bit nicer or whatever. I'm going to be like, yeah, okay, no problem. I also went to the Juilliard School for Acting, which I think is important too. Not that I'm an actor or going to be, woo, I'm an actor. No, I've got to be sincere. I've got to come from the heart, because I think that's most important. That's what's going to be important to our viewers and the people that are watching. They're going to want to know, who are we, from a sincere place. But the reason why Juilliard is important is because I understand about that too, about acting, and was trained that way. I've also spoken on stage in front of thousands of people, and I had my own radio show that went on for 3 years. It was an hour show. I did it every single week. And also I've been on CNN, Montel, and QVC. Now QVC, I sold $70,000 worth of Tinglers in 4 minutes. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 minutes. I sold out $70,000, and it said, sold out, which of course is what all the people in our show want to do. They want to get their product to HSN. But beyond that, they need to be able to have that sold out sign, so I know how to coach them and take them through that too. And the thing about the Juilliard thing is, if we've got somebody who's a little inverted, but they've got this great product, no problem, because I can coach them, because of course, acting, being on camera, so we coach them so that they can really kick butt and be a success, because that's what we're here to do, is make sure to be a success. I think we're going to have a lot of fun working together. I think teamwork is really important. I think energy is really important. I think having fun and being silly and being goofy and also being serious if we need to, and coaching, coaching, coaching. If I need to judge, no problem, because I'm really adept at that. Remember also, I have a product that's out in the market right now that teaches inventors from A to Z, how do you bring your product to market? How do you do that? There's a lot of mysteries out there, and there's a lot of BS. I gotta tell you, a lot of stuff out of integrity. I believe it's really important to be in integrity, and so I've already got that. So we can even go from that. We'll have a checklist of how do you bring an invention to market? What are all the things that you need to be concerned about? So that's important too. I think we're going to have a blast. I think all you need to do is just go, yes, yes. I mean, unless you're going for a 20-year-old model or a family member, I mean, I'd be screwed that way. But if you're not, then you want to make sure, choose me.